And we have the new Hymer Redwood 601 for the 2026 year, and we have the price of 9160. So there's a new design inside, and I will be going firstly to check the back side. And just like every Hymer, this is a true designed, really well designed campervan. And well, there is something to check all together. So firstly, let's check the actual bedding. 105 the largest bus, and around 1.8, 1.9 depending on where you measure it. And from this side it's also 1.5, so there is a big bed inside. And then in the larger part we have 0.7, and let's say to the actual final part is 1.5. So the garage is a pretty great size. And if we look up, we have a greatly designed pop-up roof bed, and we will be entering inside, checking also all the specs and features of this Hymer Redwood 601. So entering inside, this is the standard Fiat Ducato chassis with some amazingly designed storage units, and also pretty light. They are retaining this part here, and on the upper part there is a pretty good amount of space with the skylight on the lower part. Then you have zippable and unzippable comfy seating for two people, and also additional stuff here. In the other part we have the kitchen with 3 cabinets inside, and also kitchen with kitchenwares. But this is a great new highlight, the Tedford cassette toilet. And when you press this part here, you are able to fold and move away the sink and get a pretty good amount of room if you want to take a shower, and then slide it back to get the sink. There is a towering fridge on a pretty good condition here. On the upper part also a great amount of storage. You can push right up here for additional storage for your bedding situation. And as I measure, the bed is pretty wide, nice and perfect. And also there is some storage inside the bed. Well, the sliding door looks nice. And there is a lot of people going around, so we will be finishing this video for the Hymer Redwood 01, getting a look on that part.